Now we're at the design labs with my colleague Staffan. Hey Staffan.
Hi Jon.
So I'm here to investigate a bit, how do you design a product? What do you guys do?
Yeah, good question. We help companies to create products out of their vision.
Okay.
So it's both, we do hardware design and software design, or UX.
Okay, so what is, I see glasses in front of me. I assume that's what we're going to talk about.
Exactly.
So how do you go from a client coming in saying, hey, I want to make a pair of connected glasses, to what actually looks and feels like a pair of glasses? What's the first step?
Yeah. First off, we try to pinpoint the values that the customer wants to create with the product, and also we do user research to see what the target group wants and needs, and how they behave while using smart glasses. We both do hand sketching. We also do in 3D, of course. But everything is always based on what we find out during the research. But we maybe find an area where we will want to zoom in, and then we start sketching around that area. In this case, like the earpiece, what do we want the earpiece to look like, first off? Okay. And then, of course, we always need to take in consideration the restraints that we always need to work around, like the mechanical constraints, budget constraints, electronic constraints, and so on.
In the end, this flex film and PCB has to go inside this pair of glasses.
Exactly.
So now you have a bunch of ideas. I see here we have 6 different concepts or versions of these glasses. How do you move forward with one of the design tracks? Yeah, we use different kind of tools. In this case, we've used like a positioning chart. So we have like 2 axes, where the top or the vertical axis is in one end it's edgy, stealthy shape, and the other one is friendly or soft shape. What's the next step? Now I assume you move away from sketches at some point. Yeah, exactly. Next step is that we zoom in to the chosen track. Yeah. And we do that by going into 3D that you can see on the screen here. Yeah. We sketch it there. So now you start to model it. Exactly. Yeah. Model up the basic ideas, and then we can 3D print it to try it out. Okay. So now you move to the physical domain. Exactly. Yeah. So now you get like this. Exactly. And then we quickly can notice, this part is way too short for you, maybe. Then we need to prolong it in the CAD. So it's a lot of forward and back. We also, in parallel, look into like what kind of CMF the end product should have. So I see a lot of samples in front of me. That's pretty much what you do here. You choose material, color, how the surface feels, etc. Yeah, exactly. And especially for these kind of products, it's really important with the quality finish of the surfaces and what kind of materials there are. I mean, people are quite picky what they have in the face, so that's also quite an intense phase. And I assume that design doesn't happen by itself. You have to collaborate a lot with the other departments here. Indeed. Yeah, we have close collaborations, depending where we are in the process, of course. Yeah. But it's been really fascinating to get this look into this design labs and what you guys do. Thank you so much, Staffan. Thank you. If you reach out, we can book a lab tour for you and your company, and you can come here and meet us in person. And as always, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment on this video. I'm Jon, this is Sigma Connectivity.